Ito po yung nabili natin sa Facebook Market na fire pit. This is the bottom part of the fire pit. Look great. Wala pang gaanong dami. Still good. Ito na po yung fire pit na binili natin na use through Facebook Market. So kilatisin natin. Ayan, mukhang bago pa. Ayan. One thing is that may kasama pa siyang cover. Kilatisin natin. Ayan, ayan, hindi pa gamit tong grilled na to. A little bit rusty pero it's normal. Ayan. Nalagay po natin sa backyard. Nabili po natin siya ng $100. Nakatipid po tayo ng more than $200. Kasi bago pa. Masusing negotiation din sa price ang ginawa. And then nagkasalubong. That's it. Bili ko na. Yung cover is a giveaway. May kasama pang wood. Looking great. That's it. Yan yung cover na kasama. It looks great. Even though it's used one, it's a good buy and a good price, good savings.